Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video, I will show you to set our default button setting for your entire website in Divi WordPress theme. Here you can go and first of all we can use this one theme customizer. After that on the left side here you can find out the theme customizer. So let's go to general settings and after that here you can also find out button settings. So this one is for the background. So by default this is selected transparent. Drag it on the top side and here I want to add some background color like this. For the text color you can also keep as it is, as well as you can also change. So for the hover style you can use this one, and I want to add a background color, black background color. You can also add border color, border radius, as well as letter spacing. You can also adjust the button text size, so let me add it 30. Then for more typography options, you can scroll down and here you can add some icons. For example, let me add this one and here you can select the icon color and placement. Then click on publish button. Now let's go back and enable Divi Visual Builder. So now Divi Page Builder is loading. After that you can go here and add new module. Here you can type button. Now here you can see this one is the default button style that is added on entire website. But you can manually change it whenever you want. You can go to design tab and then you can enable custom styles for your buttons.